Here in my line of the FF B-2, I cut down the all three are a lot shorter now. I put off, and this just went crazy again. So I decided that I didn't get as good as I wanted to unless it had at least the 3 vortex generators back there. I also set up the dragging elevon so that it's got a little bit of a crease down the center. Maybe it's like it's rudder-like looking. I put a camera in the front and decided to take it out to California City over the weekend and did some filming. So I got a little bit of off-road filming with this thing that I decided to put it to work and get some good footage of my weekend here.
Recording.
Akala daw niya, tataob kami.
Wow!
Sakay mga eskwala.
California City, welcome!
Welcome. Where are you going?
You're not going anywhere.
Huh?